Not a flag. Quack. Quack. Not a quack. Quack. Yeah, quack.
Hi everyone, Paula here from Goes to 11 Media, bringing you another episode of Grounds for Divorce Coffee Reviews. And as usual, I am joined by my wonderful husband, Rick. How you doing, baby?
I'm doing all right. I don't know why. Your intro made me feel like I was on The Big Bang Theory's Fun with Flags.
Hello, and welcome to a special live edition of Dr. Sheldon Cooper
and Dr. Amy Farrah Fowler present
Dr. Sheldon Cooper's Fun with Flags.
Fun with Flags.
That gives me an idea for a future episode.
Oh no.
Oh no, he says.
No. It'd be Norway and Portugal going to war.
Sheldon. That was beautiful.
If you didn't press
I pressed it!
So, hey, speaking of that, how do you like the new shirt?
Of course your opinion matters, just not to me. I love it.
You know what, it seems kind of fitting for today, right? Everybody's self-entitled and their opinion means everything. Of course it matters. It just doesn't matter to me.
I guess that's an easy way to just, get through life.
We can hope. If that's all there is to it, we're good.
Indeed.
You were busy there last night. I was helping you with, we filmed another recipe dash. And this one here is a second attempt and a successful attempt, which is...
You are going to tell them what a horrible cheesecake maker I am.
Well, you know what? I mean, listen, anytime that you do experimentation with recipes, it literally is sort of toss a coin if it's going to work or it's not. And unfortunately with cheesecake, it's an experiment that is also expensive because it's not a cheap dish to make.
That's right.
And unfortunately we had to bin the other one that you did. But this one turned out great. We got it dialed in because what had happened on the first one was there was a lack of the ability for it to properly set. It was because there was just too much liquid.
And I didn't bake it long enough. I first baked it in the Instant Pot. It needed another egg. Maybe not so much.
And for the record, the Instant Pot recipes we have on the Kitchen Shop, they work fantastic.
They do.
Stay to the recipe, and you're good to go.
Yeah.
But we were experimenting, trying to bring in coffee and various elements into it.
And I wasn't thinking it really needed another egg and longer.
Yeah.
Like it needed probably double the baking time.
So what you got here is, well, explain to the folks, what's in this one?
This is a coffee chocolate cheesecake, aka a Mocha Cheesecake.
So good. And we've had a little itty bitty crumble taste here when I was wiping the knife off after cutting the cake there. So it definitely turned out really well. It's set perfectly.
Yes, and no
cracking.
No cracking.
Nope. But that was with the recipe that we did, you were following sort of a cool down process.
Yes.
Instead of just into the oven, cook it, pull it out, and then...
Yes. Yeah, because there's so many recipes out there, and some are super easy. Like, this was a super easy one. But there's certain little tricks that you can do, and yeah.
So we landed up, because of liquid, and liquid is sort of the enemy to a cheesecake. How did you do the coffee? What'd you do for that?
I took instant coffee, which I much rather have used espresso, but I was so worried it wasn't going to turn out that I just used an instant coffee and I just put, I think it was like 3 tablespoons of coffee. Oh no.
We got the recipe listed below for you guys, sir.
So just a little bit of hot water to just make it kind of like a syrup.
Yeah, just to dissolve it basically.
And I use cocoa powder.
Lots of cocoa powder.
Yeah, so the cocoa powder helped to absorb some of that liquid.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And then you've got an Oreo cookie crumb crust, which, you know what, that's a winner right there. I love Oreos.
Indeed, I know.
So that's awesome. And yeah, all right, well then let's give it a try. Get up the whipping cream. Here we go. Let's do it.
Oh,
There we go.
wow.
After you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, go
Where's
ahead.
your fork?
Terrible?
So bad. You have to be super careful with this.
Oh. Yeah.
Very simple, easy recipe. Oh my god.
It was really more time consuming for the making sure you're getting it through the oven process and the cooling down process
Yeah.
versus the actual how much work went into it. Because as you see in the recipe dash video that we did, it's, you know, basic ingredients in, whip it together and then into the thing after you've done the pie crust, and
Yeah.
easy peasy. So
Crazy easy.
tasted great.
Dangerously easy.
Yeah, and tasty. What do we have here today?
Today we have a Lion's Bay.
I'm going to cleanse my palate. Then I'm going to do the old water thing that we learned from Kelvin and James.
Oh, yes. So they were so awesome. They invited us last week to
Great guys.
do a coffee tasting. So we got to taste 5 of their roasts. And this is the owner's namesake.
This is Kelvin Grove. Ah, there we go.
Enjoy now. And it's a dark blend.
Is it?
Oh, it's hot, but it's so good.
I wouldn't know.
Roasty toasty.
Now, for the benefit of Kelvin and James, I do this for you and only for you, but
It is hot.
that's what you have to do apparently. It's tasty. They're great coffees to make. They really are. That is
very.
really, really hot.
It is hot.
And you know, if it wasn't for these double-walled mugs, you couldn't hold it. It would be scorching my hand right now.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's very tasty. So awesome. Well, another job well done, my dear. Thank you. And well, I'm curious to know what the fun with flags has triggered in her mind. We'll only see next week or the week after. But I don't know what it's going to be. I hope you folks enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that reminder bell so you don't miss it. Ding, ding, ding. And then don't forget to check out our store.
Yes.
groundsfordivorcecoffee.ca and groundsfordivorcecoffee.store if you are US or international. And we'll catch you on the next segment.
Ciao, ciao, everybody.
See you later.
That was a good one.
So good.